Far, far away in the deep wood lives a little duckling whose journey into the world has really just begun. For breakfast, it sieves the water collecting plants and other tiny crustaceans. The family, a total of 8, have already begun theirs. The duckling and its family have found a perfect place to call home. It may be small, but it is complete. Ducks can live for up to 20 years. They are birds and are often referred to as waterfowls. This is because they are normally found in places where there is water, like streams, rivers, and even a pond like this. This adult duck is late to breakfast, but it does make sure it is well cleaned and ready for the day. Ducks are outgoing and social animals who feel most at ease when they're in a large group of other ducks. Ducks are delicious birds for many animals. Almost any four-footed predator will snatch a duck if and when it gets a chance. So it's best they stick close and in the water. All ducks have highly waterproof feathers. It is so waterproof that even when fully submerged underwater, their feathers stay completely dry. So far this season, our duck family has been very lucky. Their pond has been a remarkably safe place to call home.